at CDPS, we hope to support Welsh public sector organisations to design services around the needs of the people who use them. And that's exactly what the Digital Service Standard for Wales sets out to achieve. It's a set of guidance that will help organisations build efficient, cost-effective services that truly work for the people who use them. But one of the kind of key recurring challenges in achieving this is ensuring that these organisations have the right capabilities within these teams who are designing the services to meet the standard. We know that hiring full digital teams isn't always feasible, and we learned this through our Attract, Recruit, Retain project. Budgets are really tight, and there's a recognised shortage of these skills across public sector. But what we also know is that there are really passionate, talented people within these organisations who already have really kind of valuable, transferable skill sets into this digital space. So that's kind of the problem space and the problem that we're trying to solve. You know, these standards exist, they're there to help improve these services. There's a bunch of really skilled, talented, capable people in these organisations, but how do we match the two? And that's why we're right at the start of a project that's working to understand this problem in a bit more detail, so that any support that we do create really gets to the heart of the problem and it's practical for our users. We recently ran a show and tell to share our early thinking, and now we're deep into user research. We're speaking directly with service owners to understand their needs, and this research is going to be running until February 26, 2025, and we want to hear from as many of you as possible. So if you're leading or designing public services in Wales, we'd love to talk to you. Your insights will really help to shape the tools and resources that we create as a part of this project. So please do reach out to us at user.research@digitalpublicservices.gov.wales. Diolch yn fawr.